Hi, my name is Kimatina, and this screencast will show you how to copy an assignment link in Google Classroom and paste it into an Oncourse Classroom assignment. So, go into your Google Classroom and find an assignment that you want to share in your Oncourse. Now, anything that you post in Google Classroom has a copy link. So if I hover over any of these posts that I have in my classwork page, you'll notice here that I have a three-dot menu. I can click on that three-dot menu and I get a context menu and an option to copy the link. So this example here is a resource material post. This example here is an assignment because I can tell from the icon. And if I click on the three dots, the three-dot menu, I have the option to copy the link. So I'm going to click on copy the link, and you can see that the link is copied to my clipboard. And I'm going to go into Oncourse Classroom, and I'm going to create a new assignment. So as you can see here, I am in a new assignment. And I'm going to post directions. So always post directions when you prompt your students with any type of information. And I'm going to click on the web link icon. And when I click on the web link icon, I'm going to be able to paste the link that I just copied from the clipboard. So I can do Control V on my keyboard, or I can right click and select copy. And you want to give it a name, a display name here, which is optional, but like if you're going to do it, go for the whole gusto and put in a display name. So I'm just going to put in here, you can put in here the title of the assignment, and I'm going to just put in here, I think that's what it was, STEM Ed Puzzle. So you want to keep the title of your assignments consistent. So I would recommend for the display name here in Oncourse Classroom that you use the same assignment title that you gave it in Google Classroom. Click Add Link, and now that link will appear here in Oncourse Classroom, and when the students click on it, they will be directed into your Google Classroom. I hope you found this screencast helpful.